How to hide subscribers number on YouTube. Open any preferred browser and you have to type in youtube.com on the search bar, and then official site of YouTube will open, where you have to open the desktop site. For that you can tap on three dots at the upper right corner and you must tick mark the desktop site. Then this desktop site of YouTube will open, where you have to click on the profile at the top right corner and now tap on YouTube Studio. Once you're on the YouTube Studio of your YouTube channel, you need to tap on settings at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once the settings page appears, you have to tap on channel. Now go to the advanced settings. Here you can see the option of audience. When you scroll down, here we don't find any option to hide subscriber numbers on YouTube. So the updated features of this YouTube has deleted the option to hide the subscribers number on YouTube. So here we are not able to hide our subscribers number on YouTube. So this is the latest updates on YouTube. If you have the old version, then you might have the option. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.